Hello and welcome to Alleviate Dry Eye. I'm your host, Dr. Pam Terrio, but you can call me Dr. T. I am the author of the book Alleviate Dry Eye and also a dry eye specialist here in Shreveport, Louisiana. Thanks again for joining me today. I have something fun to talk about, and it is clean makeup. So, sometimes my patients will ask me, what is clean makeup? And it is beauty products that are made without ingredients that have been shown to harm human health. So these makeup products do not contain any toxic ingredients. It doesn't necessarily mean that they're organic or vegan or animal friendly. It just means that they are made without ingredients that are going to harm your health. And why is that important? Well, when we put toxic ingredients on our faces and especially around our eyes, it exacerbates the aging process. None of us women want that. So absolutely, we want to avoid these products that are going to make us look older. These products will also reduce cell death. They'll reduce irritation, allergic reaction, contact dermatitis. And so, Dr. T, what does this have to do with my eyes? Well, as you may or may not know, the skin of the eyes is the thinnest skin in our body. In fact, it's 4 times thinner than the skin on our face. So that means that the products that we put on the eyelid skin are able to get right into our bloodstream much quicker than products that we're putting anywhere else on our body. So not only are they getting into our systemic bloodstream and going and can affect our systemic health, but they're also affecting the cells deeper into the tissues because that outside layer is so thin. So they can penetrate a little faster on the eyelids than anywhere else on the body. And so that can cause toxic reactions like irritation, redness, inflammation, damage to the cells, and wrinkles. We ladies, we don't like to hear that word wrinkles. It could also cause problems that would lead to dry eyes. So instability of the tear layer that's on the front surface of our eyes, and it can cause toxicity to the cells on the front surface of our eye called our cornea. So it can directly, these toxic chemicals that are in our makeup products could lead directly to dry eye symptoms. So, what if you don't do anything about it? What if you're like, that Dr. T, she doesn't know what she's talking about. I'm going to keep using Maybelline because I have used it since I was 10, 12, 15, whenever you started wearing makeup. I know, I loved Maybelline too. It's okay. I was in your boat too, but now there's so many better products. So, if you don't do anything about switching to cleaner makeup options, then the redness and irritation that you're already experiencing is going to continue to get worse. Watering, redness, irritation, your makeup crying down your face all day long. It may lead to makeup intolerance so that you feel like you can't wear makeup at all or you're allergic to your makeup. It just bothers you all the time. And finally, it can damage the delicate structures in our lids and on the front surface of our eyes, again, leading to dry eye disease. So, if I've convinced you, you want to know how you can get started on a clean makeup routine. Well, the best way to get started with a new beauty routine is by changing your eye makeup remover because that is the first step in getting clean makeup is by getting it off of your eyes at the end of the day. And so I have a great makeup remover guide I would love to share with you, and I will put the link in the comments below. So thanks again for joining me today. I hope you learned a thing or two about clean makeup. You can always find me on my website at www.pamterrio.com. And if you want to take care of your eyes today, your vision will last you a lifetime. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you next time.